for coming to check out today's video. So the video today is on this hair that I'm rocking right now. This hair was sent to me by Elevate Styles, so thank you so much, Elevate Styles, for sending this over. This unit is called Sensational Kia, and if you want to learn more about it, then definitely keep on watching. So this unit does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It is a lace front wig. I already cut the lace off. It does have a center part, and this unit is very long, and it does have long layers in the front. This unit doesn't really have any bump or anything like that. It is super straight. It doesn't have any baby hairs, but I definitely like this wig. Let me show you what the stock card looks like. Here's the stock card for Kia. She does come in a bunch of other colors. This wig has been out for a good little minute. I know when it came out, everybody was super pressed about the matte gray and the matte lavender. I think that was the first time that these colors have been released with Sensational, matte gray and matte lavender. And I actually had an event and 2 of my special guests wore the same exact wig. It was this wig in the matte gray. And it looked amazing, but it was just really funny. So this unit is definitely a yucky unit. It has a very natural feel. It feels really nice to the touch. The hair is super soft, and it hasn't been tangling on me, and it hasn't been shedding either. But I have a feeling that this one probably will. And I have a feeling that as you wear this wig more and more, it's going to get like thicker. It's going to get, you know how yucky hair just gets thicker as time goes on, and I definitely think that'll happen with this one. What I don't like about this wig, straight out the pack, it does have this bump in it. So I just turned my flat irons on, and I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron that out. Hopefully it will come out. I hope I don't have my flat irons too hot. So yeah, you guys, this is not the type of unit where you really have to like fuss over it a whole lot. This is one of those units you literally just throw it on and go, and you're good. I like it. I like it. I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Let me stop playing, y'all. But y'all know that Cardi B album do rock. It do rock. So let me turn around so you guys can see this from the back. She's definitely long, very cute. I like it. So yeah, you guys, if you have questions about Sensational Kia or you would like to purchase her, I will leave a link to Elevate Styles in the information bar down below. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos. They so lit.